This is the HandySCAN Black, the most accurate and portable 3D scanner for high-level quality control. With 11 laser crosses delivering 1.3 million measurements per second, your inspection workflow will have never been faster. As you can see, shiny parts are not a problem for the HandySCAN Black. In fact, you will never need to apply any developer since the combination of blue lasers and high-quality camera optics allow for acquiring any kinds of surface finish from shiny to matte black. With a 1000 resolution, the HandySCAN Black will capture the smallest details easily, even in hard-to-reach areas. It delivers a 1000 accuracy regardless of the environment and the experience of the user. Moreover, a dynamic referencing system is used, which allows for the movement of the part during the scanning process. This means you can scan in a harsh environment without losing any accuracy whatsoever. The HandySCAN Black's factory calibration uses reliable acceptance tests as it is based on the VDI/VDE Part 3 standard and is ISO 17025 accredited. Once you're done scanning, stay in the Creaform software environment by sending the mesh to the inspection module VXinspect. This integrated module provides everything you need for a quality control project. Simply align the mesh on the CAD model or a reference mesh, perform geometrical measurements and GD&T controls, and generate a complete inspection report. All in all, the HandySCAN Black combined with the VXinspect module will allow you to complete all your quality control projects.